wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, good morning. Too late, you're already in it. Woo! Yo! Morning, sir. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. It's not that bright outside. Stop hiding.
But it's gonna be on for my word.
This mug.
I didn't give you my consent to use my face in your video.
It's all right. No consent required.
I'm gonna sue.
What up, Sergeant Class?
Yeah.
We're bringing back for our essay activity, our Christmas scavenger hunt.
Every.
Come on out!
You gotta pose with it. Go with style. Go with style.
Okay.
Who's the barber?
Oh yeah.
That's kind of.
Do it!
Oh yeah. Stop, you know that hurts.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Oh no. Hey, looks good actually. Hey, wait. Let's go. I'll take off the top first.
Man's taking it like a champ.
How do I even do that?
You go like that.
Press the turbo. Hey, no, wait. The slower you press this is faster. Cut it short and then you cut it short. Hey, you have to press this button.
We out here.
Oh,
We got this is landmark event right here because these are the two. Hey, slow down. These are the two people that brought me to tears when I left Palau. The first time. Not the first time. Not the first time, because the first time I left, they were in first grade. No, it was the second time I left in 2019. You got something in your throat? You got COVID?
Yeah. You know why?
Yeah, they brought me to tears. I couldn't take it.
This is what you said.
They broke me.
This is what you said.
What?
You said, I forgot what you said. But no. I remember what you said, but I don't know how you format. Yeah.
All right, try it.
But you said when two people cross the Jordan River, one person comes back or something like that.
I said that?
Yeah.
No.
And so I remember, I don't know who was beside you, and I'm like, oh, so he's leaving.
Oh, you're right.
And then you said,
Yo, you remember that?
yeah.
Yo, that's what's up.
What made me cry. You said you're leaving.
Ah! Yo, that's wild. I remember I was talking about Elijah and Elisha. You're right.
Yeah, see?
That's crazy.
That
Yo,
was 2 years ago.
man, you're awesome.
Yeah.
2.5, 2019.
Woo. Oh yeah, it's almost 2020.
Yeah.
Let's
We
go.
out here. These are my homies right here, though.
Let's
Day one.
Go.
Let's go. Let's go. We got Myri. Jordan. We got Missouri.
I'm so sorry.
We out here.
We out here.
See ya! Let's go! Seniors! 2022, baby!
Let's go!
So you'd be like an assistant. I see. Merry Christmas. We out here. Thank you very much.
Do you want to make a picture of you together?
Oh, I'm kind of just doing vlog style, so it's okay. Thank you. Yes, sir. This is what happens when you're the only ones in the shop. Everyone gets their table. We out here. Yes, sir. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Pretty good. Good to see you.
No, good to see you. Good to see you. I didn't expect that to happen. How you doing?
I'm doing good, man. We out here.
So,
What's up, man? I can't even see. It's too dark.
I'm pretty sure you just get to see you soon, though.
What happened is my plan to didn't really work out.
When did that stop working for you?
It stopped working when I realized that the fish in Michigan sucks.
I could have told you that. Fish in Palau is the only fish that I'm gonna eat. Like,
I know. I had no hope.
It's hard for me. It's hard for me.
yeah, I don't be eating fish anywhere but Palau.
It is what it is, though. We out here. We Kramers, munching it up with the squad, OGs, seniors circa 2019, the SMs from across the gamut. But we out here. Grub Nation, baby, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna put that.